What's going on YouTube, and welcome to Pete 717. This video today all about Subi. It's been probably 2 weeks since I started this car, 2.5 weeks, because I've been driving my Ford cold start E85 2.5 weeks later. Let's get her going.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else to tell me what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you.
POV drive. Let's see how that works. First one for me. Let me get this out of the way for now. What's going on YouTube? This part of the video is going to be a little bit off Subaru subject. A couple of my buddies, 3 friends, they're going upstate New York hunting, and they asked me to sight the rifles. If you guys didn't know, I'm pretty good at long range shooting and all of that. I have 3 rifles on the back, one 300 Win Mag, 7mm, and 30-06. Yeah, or probably 2 30-06s or 1.7 or something. Anyway, so they gave me the rifles, ammo, and they asked me to check and make sure they're zeroed in. All right, guys, and we're here at our shooting range. This is the place. So we have a pistol range right here. We have a 50 right here. No, 50, 100, and 200 yards. So this is it right here. Nice little covered area. I shoot here a lot, almost every weekend. I have a bench rifles for precision shooting, and I usually average out half a minute on those rifles. These 3 rifles are just hunting rifles: 30-06, 30-06, and 300 Win Mag. Let's set the targets up and get it going. This is my daily driver. I have a Taurus SHO, fully modified, tuned. This guy, if you look at the videos in my playlist, there's a dyno video. This guy is pushing 460 wheel horsepower. This thing is a beast, definitely a beast. Let's shoot some rifles. I'm gonna start with 30-06 because it's just gonna be less of a kick. We're gonna save 300 Win Mag for later. Okay. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Yep. Same bullet, so that's fine. Shooting a little bit too, a little high. Almost there. Okay guys, let's go look at it. Alright, this is how it works. So the cardboard I was using just to zero out, and then these guys were just to bring the paper back to them as a confirmation. Now, yeah, that was a first one I was shooting, and this was the first bullet, and then I corrected the windage, then I did elevation correction. Shot that, corrected 1 more minute, and then we put first round right there, and the second, I think it was me, just kind of didn't feel right when I was just releasing trigger. It was a little, that rifle's a little heavy trigger in there, so I believe that's just me, but it got zeroed out. The second rifle was here. That was my first 2 shots just to confirm. Then I corrected it, somehow I overshot to the right, and then I corrected again, and then we shot 1 round here, and then again I think it was me again pulling to the right. Those hunting rifles, they're a little heavy trigger. I mean, my rifles, my bench rifles, the trigger set to 3 pounds, so super light. These guys are little. So the last rifle I was shooting, the 300 Win Mag, it shot high, corrected it. I thought I corrected enough, it didn't take it, so I corrected again, overshot, you know, that was my last confirmation, and then we shot 3 rounds right there. I corrected 1 minute to the left, and I didn't want to put any more holes or use any more bullets. They're paying like $40–50 a box for those. So those are the papers I'm gonna take with me, and so there you go. If you like, all that recoil. So if you guys like the content, you want to see some more of this, put in a comment below. We'll make some more videos, of course Subaru videos and all the cars, but you know, I can mix and match. So here you go. Thank you. And a guy that was shooting here, that came alone while I was shooting, he forgot his magazine. He forgot his magazine, so we're just gonna put it right here. Hopefully he's gonna come back and pick it up. It's already late in the day. I don't think anyone else is coming. It's getting dark. It's going to be dark in about 45 minutes or something. So all right, and we're done. Gonna go home, drop off the rifles, and we're good to go.